up, y'all? So I'm back again with a new video today, and before we do anything else, or before I tell you what this video is about, I need y'all to stop what you're doing, and I'm gonna give y'all a second to go ahead and subscribe. I'm gonna wait. You subscribe? There's subscribe buttons everywhere. There's no reason for you to not subscribe. If you've subscribed already, thank you for returning to my channel. And if you're new, well, welcome to my channel. But today I have a new video for y'all. And today, y'all can see I have in my braids. I've had these braids for about, I want to say I've had these braids for about basically a month now. But today I'm gonna show y'all a video of different hairstyles you can try with either box braids, knotless braids, or whatever the case may be. I have knotless braids and it works perfectly fine with box braids as well. If you want to try these hairstyles, keep watching. The only things that you will need for this video or for your hairstyle are these. So you can use regular hair ties or you can use the big ones. So I found these at the beauty supply store. These are like supposed to be used as headbands, but I've been using them for my box braids because the smaller ones break easily. So if you can find these, you can use these or you can use regular headbands. If y'all need an edge control, I would recommend this. I've been using Edge Booster for a while, and even though it says water-based, it doesn't make my edges curl up. So I would try this out. But anyways, let's get into the video. for this video today. If you haven't already, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. You can click that in the description below. But other than that, stay tuned for my next video. But other than that, that's it. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'm out.